You do what I do.
You do what I do. Come on.
My mom gave me a penny.
My mom gave me a penny.
She said, go buy some candy.
She said, go buy some candy.
But I don't want no candy.
But I don't want no candy.
Instead, I want some
bubblegum. Bubblegum. Bubblegum.
My mom gave me a nickel.
My mom gave me a nickel.
She said, go buy a pickle.
She said, go buy a pickle.
But I don't want no pickle.
But I don't want no pickle.
Instead, I want
Some bubblegum. Bubblegum.
My mom gave me a dime.
My mom gave me a dime.
She said, go buy a lime.
She said, go buy a lime.
But I don't want no lime.
But I don't want no lime.
Instead, I want
Some bubblegum.
Nemesis.
Bubblegum.
My mom gave me a quarter.
My mom gave me a quarter.
She said, go buy some water.
She said, go buy some water.
But I don't want no water.
But I don't want no water.
Instead,
I want some bubblegum. Bubblegum.
my mom gave me $1.
My mom gave me $1.
She said, go buy a collar.
She said, go buy a collar.
But I don't want no collar.
But I don't want no collar.
Instead,
I want some bubblegum. Bubblegum.
my mom gave me a yen.
My mom gave me a yen.
She said, go buy a hen.
She said, go buy a hen.
But I don't want no hen.
But I don't want no hen.
Instead, I want
Some bubblegum.
My mom gave me a peso.
My mom gave me a pencil.
She said, go buy some queso.
She said, go buy some queso.
But I don't want no queso.
But I don't want no queso.
Instead, I want
Some bubblegum.
Last one. Don't repeat after me at the end. My mom gave me a